Hello everyone, it's Arslan here. Welcome to this live. If you're watching the replay, you can feel free to skip few minutes because what's gonna happen is I'm gonna wait for a few members to join, few subscribers to join. I'm live on both YouTube and Facebook together, so I would like to wait for some members to come, then I will start the video. Thank you. Just want to confirm if everything is working fine. Good to go. Alright, so let me just share the links. You know, when you have to do a few things, you don't know what to say, honestly. Alright guys, hope you're having a great day, great weekend actually. And yesterday night, 2 hours before daily candle close, we seen a pretty decent pump. It was weak. I mean, that overall the move, the whole day, the volume was so dead. It was so weak. If you see last week we had more volume than this week. Still, we have around half day to go to close daily candle, and we'll see if it's gonna close up there. For weekly, I wanna go with the weekly one because the higher time frame is the better and the best for long term. So based on weekly time frame, we are still bearish. We need to cross this as minimum to see a bull volume, like real move coming in. We need to cross around 8,000, 7,800 to 8,000, but right now it doesn't seem like we're gonna cross it. We may test it, but I think after 7k we're gonna test it, otherwise we won't. If we cross 7k, then we may test it. If we don't, then the chances are very low that we're gonna test 7,800. But if you wanna see a bullish, like real bullish, okay, we need to cross 10k. Okay, that's what we need to see. A cross of 10k is gonna give us real bullish move. Alright, think long term. We're gonna make a lot of profit still, even though we don't buy here. But still, for me, a short term bullish on daily time frame, if we cross successfully today with high volume giving a strong move, if we cross 7,100, then I will say, alright, this looks interesting. 7,800 and close above it, and if Bitcoin stays above 7k for 2 days, and then there is gonna be a move probably to 77, 76, 7,800, roughly that area, and we're gonna have this is a huge resistance right now. This area is a huge resistance because we have a trend line break here. The market is trying to retest. If it retests, we're gonna see a big leg down. Okay, there's a chance we're gonna see it, but we can't say 100% that we will definitely see it. But what I'm expecting, even though if market wants to go bullish, there isn't any volume there. Okay, that shows us that we're gonna break this and we are really bullish. I want to show you something else. There is something very interesting that I noticed. Give me a second, please. There's something very interesting that I noticed. Hey guys, thank you for watching. So there's something very interesting that I noticed yesterday night. Okay, we'll go to 4 hour and I will show you that as well. So for now, Bitcoin on daily time, on weekly, we are bearish. You can see we need to cross this as minimum. We need to cross 7,800 to 8k to decide that alright, we're gonna go bullish. But so far, even though we haven't, we had a fake out last night. It was just a one move after the whole day has been so dead, and it was a one move that went up like this, boom, and it still had lower volume than the previous day. Okay, it was weak move, but we finally crossed 50 RSI level. This is one of the bonus based on my strategy, and let's see if we're gonna cross 7k today. And that's what matters a lot, honestly. This is the area I'm looking for. Bitcoin can't cross this. We had a fake out. If you see, we had a fake out here. It was pretty nasty. Must have trapped many buy orders and all buyers. But let's see what happens. And let's go to 4 hour. I'll show you something that I want you to share. I shared yesterday night, okay, in my educational group, the one I have, the course I have a group for those members. I've been showing them basically I've been showing them what's happening daily, okay. Few times a day I just give the update, what I think, and just educate them overall, okay. So if you see here, look at the time, okay. The market based on UK time is been pumping and dumping around 5 o'clock noon, right? 5 p.m. It's been doing that. If you see this red move, 5 p.m. I'll show you. There's a lot more stuff that happened. That it just this move is 5 p.m. as well. You'll see this big move is 5 p.m. as well. All moves, the big moves, were around that time. There were other times as well, but the most I seen were around 5. This big move, you see this one, it is 5 p.m. as well. This one and this one exact same time, 9 p.m. and 9 p.m. So I don't understand what's going on, but there is something. This 9 p.m. is 2 hours before the daily close. This pump happened 2 hours before the daily close. Same thing here. It pumped around that time, and it's been doing that. Okay, this is the same time as well, and this is the last night that happened 9 p.m. as well. So there is a lot of things in common in all these moves, and that shows like pure manipulation, because the volume haven't been consistent. It's been just spikes and drop, okay. It's been doing that. If you see, the volume has been so nasty, like sudden pump, sudden dump. And you know why that happens is because those whales, those exchange, whoever wants to do that, you don't even need like huge $billions. You can have few millions. I don't have it, but many big guys do, hedge funds and all those. They can move the market and they can go to BitMax 100x leverage, and they make huge money there, okay. After with these pumps, they can always resell here, because every time after a pump, market stays there for a while, and then you can just sell there. Okay, they have been making so much profit. Big guy don't lose money. Remember that. Big guys don't like to lose money, and they always like to make profits, and that's why they do all this. Okay, they still make money by selling here, even though they make and create FOMO and make buyers to buy up here, and they go 100x leverage. With 1% they make 10x. Like, it's just crazy the way they make money, a huge money, and we are still here waiting, doing shit all. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share, that overall weekly we are bearish. Daily the volume was so low. There's only one spike that happened, a small one on 4 hour, that gave us a fake out. Okay, fake out of 68.42. okay, we came back, closed down, and you can see how weak this market is now. It's not moving, it's not doing anything, and right now a small support we have is minor, very minor, 67.12. If we break that, we're probably gonna retest 66.40. Let's see what's gonna happen. The thing is, yesterday I was seeing this, there was a small triangle here. We've seen a fake out, and it was a bearish sign. I seen this fake out. I said, all right, we're probably gonna go down. I seen on 15 minutes. As soon as seen this, I said in my group, all right, Bitcoin is breaking, give us big fake out, and probably gonna break down. And it did break down, but what happened is it was so low. The volume was so low. If you can see, it was so weak. The overall market is so weak, and that's why those manipulators had a chance. They said, all right, market is very weak, not much selling going on, let's just pump this shit. and we'll create FOMO. We'll get more buyers, and then we can say dump on them and say bye bye. Because after every pump, you see we have big wicks at the top, big selling at the top again, because they buy, make the breakout happen, and after this break, immature and breakout traders come in and they buy, and these guys start selling at the top. All these big guys, they always make money. Remember, they don't like to lose money, and they hardly lose money because they know what they're doing. They have power of money. They have a lot of power. They can move the market, do whatever they want. Okay, so that's why I always said go with the big guys. They go with the trend. Okay, these are the small fishes that they're doing, but the major big guys, they always go with the trend. Okay, as long as we are below this zone or in this zone, I'm not interested, even though I would prefer to wait for 7100 cross. Okay, I can buy here, but for safe entry it will be above here, but is safer entry will be above this zone, above this trend line, above this zone. Crossing this, it will be much safer entry if you wanna think long term. Okay, because we can always, if you buy here, we can always come down after a retest. You will be happy, oh, all right, Bitcoin is going up. When it comes down, you will hope, oh, it's just a pullback, it will go up, things like that, and it will dump again. That's what happens. Okay, that's what usually happens in the market. The market loves to trap newbies. If you see, there's no volume. Okay, I don't know what to say, honestly. Look at this, you can see yourself. Each day the volume, and this is still going on, but the volume isn't there. Look at this, these selling spikes. Look at the candles, but look at this volume. Market is going up, but there isn't any volume. This is not a strong move. Same thing happened here. Look at this, we had one spike, buying spike, and then the volume dried down. That's why we dumped again. Same thing here, one spike here and here, and then we've been going up. The market has been going up, but the volume was coming down. So this isn't healthy. Okay, this isn't healthy. You need to see a volume going up with the market. If you go past history is there. Technical analysis is based on history. History is there to show us, okay, we are going up and the volume is going up too. If you see here, Bitcoin always been having more volume. Look at this, we had bottom here, spike, and then we keep growing the volume. There was a move, and then slowly after this breakout, the volume has been giving us a lot of good, like there has been low volume as well, but the volume has been spiking. There was a lot of buying happening. Okay, there was this volume spike, but what I'm looking at, comparing to the past, if you see, the volume is very small. Look at this. Okay, look at these spikes and look at this. How does this define a bottom? There isn't much volume to give us any confidence. It doesn't give me any confidence to get in the trade. That's just me. It doesn't give me any confidence to buy more. Alright, I have my long-term holding, but it doesn't give me any confidence to jump in and buy more. That's fine if I missed here. Even I would have bought here again, because this was a great signal, and this one combining this. But I said I will buy this here. Even a retest. This was a good break here as of inside bar. I've been saying that. Basically, I've been updating each and everything. I was updating daily, but lack of time, I couldn't update daily. And it's been going. Like, it doesn't affect me, honestly. It does not affect me. Okay, I'm not here for a few minutes. Chaudhary, I will speak in Urdu in last 10-15 minutes, probably 10 minutes, because the thing is, I will explain everything now, and I will have overview, a small recap, and that will be easy for me to explain in Urdu. The thing is, thank you very much. The thing is, you know what happens is, people want me to do in Urdu. what happens is that if they don't learn English, okay, what they're looking for is a quick signals. All right, rather we buy, rather we sell, we hold or not. All right, that's the problem. That's what I think the people want. They just want someone to indicate them buy or sell, buy or sell. Okay, that's what they want in Urdu. If they want to learn, they need to learn English. Okay, without English you can't grow online. Okay, you need to have a basic knowledge of English so you can learn new things. To learn new things you need to know English. Okay, so that's the thing here. People don't get it. They want me to speak in Urdu and explain them in Urdu. What they're really looking for is a quick buy or sell signal type thing. Okay, but I'm not here to do that. I'm here to give you knowledge and explain you each and everything. Okay, we have been holding for 5 days actually. We even broke this for 4 days, 64.50, and we broke this inside bar. We had two inside bar here. This was very strong one. Actually, this was strong break, but the thing is, it wasn't healthy for me because it happened very late, almost end of the daily close, and it's not something that I really look for. Yes, they do. That's why they asked me to do in Hindi Urdu, because I've been here for 1 year in this group, 1 year, more than 1 year, and I've been doing marketing before that. I mean, I've been trading basically almost more than 1.5 to 2 years. So what they really want is, I know this. I've been here for long, and I know how they think and what they want, and that's what they want. Honestly, that is what they want. I've seen them. They don't want to learn. Okay, they just want quick. They want me to do videos in Urdu, but they want just quick thing. That's it. Anyways, guys, there's the main thing. Let's do overview of that. Is there's nothing to worry about. There's nothing much happening in the market right now. It's so weak. There's only what I see is manipulation. It's been moving from last 3 days. Been moving by end of the day, and it's not looking something great. The volume is so weak. The buyer isn't there, and I don't think so market will go anywhere pretty soon, because we are in bearish. The sentiments are still bearish. Okay, I don't see the hype of bullish yet. Okay, news isn't affecting bull news, isn't affecting the market. Like, it is so dead. The market is kind of so dead. Is I don't see anyone speaking bio like hype. There is not what we call hype that we wanna see. We wanna see that is this market works on hype and sentiment. Okay, I wanna see momentum. In simple word, in technical analysis, I wanna see momentum. Okay, that's what I wanna see. Alright, guys, let's do some altcoin, 5 of them, and we'll just finish this live. Honestly, there's nothing that I really wanna share. Nothing that I like. This is just the same thing that's been happening. If you see, Bitcoin is following this trend line. It's keep rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, from this trend line. Do you see that? There's only rejection that I see. Is keep rejecting this trend line. Okay, we need to cross this trend line, we need to cross this zone, we need to cross 7100, then I will see take a small move. But overall, if you want to think long term, if you want to do safe entry, is above 8k, above 7800. Okay, based on weekly chart matters a lot. So weekly, big guys, big money will jump after 8k if it does. Volume is super low. It's not just too low, it's super low. Look at this. Each day volume is dying. Each day volume is dying, and there will be a time a big red spike will come. Maybe today, but today is very important. We're gonna see a weekly close, we're gonna see a daily close. But if we close somehow, if we close below 6450 or 6400, it's gonna be a kind of confirmed, alright, we're going down. It's gonna be confirmed deal that we're going down. If we close and make a big red candle like this, and we're gonna maybe try to break up again 1 day or 2 day, and then boom, down. That's what happens. Market loves to retest again and again. Yeah guys, so tell me your altcoin. 5 of them. I'll do 3 from Facebook and 2 from YouTube. Abhishek, thank you very much, man. Thank you guys. I will do BNB. I will do BNB. Alright, but if you guys stuck in a crypto, don't do it. The thing is, in my analysis, is crypto makes me doubt my analysis. It just really sucks sometimes, because the manipulation just changed everything. I do understand how this market works after observing it for so long and doing things. That's why I can predict very well. You seen in the group the results, the way I've been predicting from last few weeks, months. It's been doing very well based on what I was expecting. But the thing is, when the manipulation is there, I know there is something wrong happening. That's why I just have nothing to say. I don't say anything, because I don't want to put myself, alright, Aslan said this and it didn't happen, because I know there's no point saying anything when there's nothing. If there's no volume, the market is easy to manipulate, and the market won't give you best technical analysis when there isn't enough volume. You need to see a market. You have a lot of volume, a lot of interest, big guys there. There's no volume from big guys yet. These are the guys, they move based on the technical analysis. If there's no volume, technical analysis not really gonna do the job properly the way they do on the volume liquidate coins. Okay, you can take altcoin, shitcoin, they have the technical analysis really suck there. Like, they really sucks. It doesn't really give us good results. But comparing to Neo, Ethereum, Litecoin, like big coins, they do very well with technical analysis. So that's the difference, my friends. Okay, who remembers this? Who remembers Binance chart here? Didn't I said we're gonna see a bounce from there? Look at this bounce. How much was it? I said 5 to 10% easy. I even set an alert. I got the alert email. The Binance hit your price. Look at this line. This was an alert and already hit here. It's in white circle. So this was 7% move. A 7% move that we got from Binance. And I think I have a picture. 1 second. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. This one. So at first I started doing an analysis here. I said, this is a weak one, minor, and this is the one I'm looking for to play a bounce off. And it gave us a perfect bounce that we were looking for. 5% isn't less. Like, it was a high chance to make profit than having any loss. And we made a decent profit. Like, we could have made. I was out the whole day. I was out. It was a cousins kind of. They went to play cricket. I went there. I was playing football there on the side with some cousins and having fun. Yesterday I was out mostly, but what I'm trying to say here is you just need to learn. It's easy, alright? It's easy to predict stuff when you know what you're doing. Okay, have patience. I've been having patience. I didn't touch the market yet. Okay, and yesterday even that before that, when market was here, I said it's a weak move. I'm still looking. This is a much better safe buying, and you can make easy 5%. Even though if you have sold here, you could have made 5%, isn't it? That's it. There's nothing much to say, guys. I said it already, but now I said what I said is we're probably gonna test this. We didn't test it yet. We may stay up here, and we go and test again. Market always does that. It's not something like it won't. It may test again this level, and then this is the main zone that I'm looking for, the big one. Okay, the big one here is gonna be if you get a good buy signal here, then go for it. Inside bar and decision candle or huge pin bar here around this area, then you can go long because you're gonna make a decent profit here, 10, 15, 20% easy. But when Hindi at the end, just give me 10 more minutes. After that I will give you overview in Hindi, just bear with me. Okay, so what else is there? Abhishek, that's the point. I use very simple words like a basic language, so everyone should understand that. I don't even know myself a proper English. Honestly, I don't know. I know the basic things only because I watch videos, I listen others. That's why it just helps me to repeat those things. Okay. EOS. Let's see if I have EOS. I already done EOS, I think. EOS BTC. EOS, last analysis I remember one I done for EOS is EOS was here around here, the second rejection. I said this isn't very good for it, is having a second rejection, and the third one is a rejection as well. And then we had a break of those rejections, and it was nasty move. And then we got indecision candle here, and now we're making again decision candle. This is our zone to look for. Okay, if we break this, then probably this is the level you need to look for EOS. It's all depend on Bitcoin as well. Okay, what Bitcoin wants to do. If Bitcoin really gonna break 8K, then you're gonna see a reversal from here. Taking analysis just sucks. That's why I'm fed up a little bit with crypto. Doing a small trading. The thing is, everything moves based on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is bearish, everything is bearish, and this market only works one side, can make you profit one side, going up. Down doesn't. If you do margin, I don't do that. But that's why honestly it's just giving me hard time and making me focus more on forex. There's nothing here, honestly. It just doesn't give me what I want, the confidence and that feeling that I want volume. If there's no volume, it does not give me any confidence or make me do any trading. Okay, I'm based on volume percent. Okay, this isn't, there's nothing to say here. Okay, I wanna see EOS here, then it will be a good buy. Okay, it will be a good buy around here, 00. So it's 1 lakh satoshis, I think. Yeah, around this zone. I wanna see EOS here, then it will be a good buy in my opinion. If we break this, okay, if we break this. Alright, what else is there? Abhishek, honestly, BNB has been going up so much. Alright, it has been going up so much, if you see, and the volume, selling volume isn't much there. Like if we say, oh, there's a volume, like there's a top, volume shows a lot of things, a bottom and the top as well. So I haven't seen any volume spike that shows huge selling. There wasn't much selling happening. There is small selling going on, slowly, because it's just profit taking. And look at this, we have been going up so much with BNB. And if you see, we completed 5 waves as well with this, probably 5 waves. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 is bigger. It shouldn't be bigger as this, okay, based on rules. But we already seen that probably can be a reversal sign. But overall, this, as long as we hold 0014 is fine. This is our major higher low. If we break major higher low, then probably I'm gonna look for 0008. This is the level that I'm gonna look for. You need to look for major higher lows. Okay, major higher lows are the one that shows break of this is gonna make it bearish, and this is gonna be next level to test, and then it's probably gonna give us good bounce even from here and here. So one of those, but still right now is holding very well. There's nothing that broke a major level. Let's see on weekly. I haven't broke a major. This is, you see, higher time frame will show us a bad picture. On weekly, this is our support, first support after this huge pump. Okay, market can always come back to retest here, or what market can do is it's at 50 fib level. It just bounced from 50 fib level. It can come even to 618 and then expecting a bigger bounce if it does, but right now it's doing pretty decent. Okay, there's nothing like shows a huge selling or sell. BNB has been strong. Probably you're gonna, if Bitcoin decides to go up again, you're gonna see a V. Is a V double top here. You can make it double top. The market does a lot before changing a direction, and then like this, or it goes maybe like this and then down, but it's gonna give us something. Then it bounced down like this and breaking this, and we're gonna test this, and we'll see what's gonna happen. It may go test again this, like Bitcoin did when it went to 11,700, did the exact same pattern like this, and it bounces and tested again and then down, probably to this level. So if it's really bearish, if not yet, it's not bearish yet on long term. BNB is not bearish yet on long term. If it's really gonna be bearish, we need to break this level, then it's gonna be bearish. Walaikum salam. Okay, so whilst we go here, Encash. So I already explained you about BNB in details. Encash. I think I did. I was doing Encash for a friend. I told him that this is a good zone to buy. The market was around this area. Not sure, but it was around here. I told him this is a good zone. Oh, it was. I don't really remember. It was last week or this week, but I don't really remember because I do so many things. I forgot. But a friend asked me to do analysis on this, and I said this is a good zone as long as this holds is decent, and we had a pretty good indecision candle here by a signal, and based on this we have a lot of resistance here. Okay, we are very still long term on this coin. Okay, if we break this, we need to stay here, give us a healthy signal, and even we are below 50 RSI, and with this break Encash is gonna be above 50 RSI, and is gonna give us a decent signal. If it does give us a decent signal, I'm probably thinking it's gonna retest this zone. And if it does, that's fine. And if we make a high low again and break it, that's absolutely fine as well. But so far there's nothing much to say. Okay, if there's a hype, it's gonna do this, make a high low and then break it, and then we're gonna see it bullish only if we break top of this. Get top of 286, basically in 300. If we break 300, this is gonna spike a lot more. You probably go to 400. First is gonna go to 340 of 300 class, and then 400 area. So you'll see what's gonna happen. I don't know yet, because if you guys been following me, you know that I don't really speculate the market. I follow what's happening right now, current market right now. First I want to see the break of this, then I want to decide what I'm gonna do, what's gonna happen, like things like this. Okay, I don't want to predict, oh, this is gonna go there, but at first this is the thing we're gonna see. Okay, first thing first, we wanna go with step by step, and the market goes step by step. It does not go just in quickly in one step. Okay, if you wanna learn, do inbox me. I have a course that explains everything, how to do things. Okay. IDX, ADX. So the guy has been asking me for a while now. ADX. I remember all these coins I've been trading for a long time. They've been doing so good back in the days. This coin has been trying to break this. It couldn't. If we break this, then you're gonna see a good bullish move. But for now, there's nothing in NK. Sorry, in ADX. You wanna see break of this first. Alright, you wanna see break of this first. We're making a higher low here. Okay, this is a good sign. That's what bulls want. A higher low. If we break this now, basically you can say in simple words 7,000 Satoshi break can pump it to 8,000 easily after that, and then we'll see what's gonna happen. For now, we have some good levels to have an eye on. So after this break, it's gonna retest this one. And yeah, slowly, step by step. It's very easy to make new highs, but when you are all-time high, but it's very hard to make highs when you have so many resistance. Okay, this is our from here. We're gonna go up here, and probably 10,000, but it's gonna take time, a lot of time. So you're welcome, Abhishek. So IDX, I already did just now. IDX Stratis, I have been asked Stratis twice. Stratis is doing kind of similar thing. I'm making higher low. Okay, we wanna see break of this now. This is our recent top. We wanna see break of this now. If we break this, then it's gonna give us overall. If you see, we have in the past break of this level zone, it's gonna give us good sign that we're gonna go up and retest around 60,000 satoshis. Okay, 60,000. 50 has been a big level. Okay, it's gonna react a lot on 50 because it's gonna struggle to break 50. 50 has been very strong in the past. Stratis has pumped a lot from 50. Guys, I can't do every single coin. Okay, I'll do LTC last one. You need to learn yourself. I'm here. The thing is, I'm not doing a one coin. What I'm doing, the thing you had to learn, not to see where your coin is gonna go. Okay, ask me coins that you already did analysis on and see if your analysis are right. If you're taking a nice working fine. Okay, compare that, and based on RSI, we have bullish divergent here. And this was very good sign for LTC. If Bitcoin stays well, okay, it does good job here. LTC can give us decent move. A rejection here, pretty good one, and it's showing that if we close above this now today, if we manage to close above this, it's gonna be pretty good sign for it. But so far, there's a huge selling going on in LTC, and this isn't looking really good. Let's go weekly, see big picture of ETC. Very bad. Alright, very bad. I'm not happy with LTC, but this is the level probably you're gonna look for. Let's see, look in USD dollars. Yeah, probably we have next level to look for is $50. $50 is gonna be a strong one. um, Even though on weekly we have indecision candle last week, and it's pretty good sign, and we have market rejecting. This is our higher low, and then this is our next higher low. Let's see if market is gonna break this. This is we need to break this in order to make this bullish, right? Now, like short-term bullish. End of the day, we need, this is our major levels. We have one this here, and here basically all this zone. So these are our major levels to look for. First we want to cross 100. 100 is our big number. Like 100 is a psychological barrier, a normal number that people look for. Okay, we buy here, we'll sell at 100. That's how people think. Oh, we'll buy cross of the 100. But it's gonna struggle here a lot. And let's see, if we break 100, then we're probably gonna test. We have this level as well, 110, a pretty strong one based on past history. Market reacted a lot here. This one, we have a lot of resistance created here based on daily chart. Okay, we have so many, but the major ones are this one, the one I just shared, that we're gonna look for. You're welcome, guys. Alright guys, thank you very much for being here. Thank you for watching this live. If you want to learn more, do let me know. Make sure inbox me. You can go, if you're watching on YouTube, the links are in the description to really, one second, what I was saying. Yeah, if you want to contact me or join our Facebook group, the links are under this video, so you can check the links and join the YouTube. Okay, let me just share in Urdu Hindi in 5-10 minutes. So what we're looking for. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching anyways, and now time for Urdu Hindi. Alright दोस्तों, पता नहीं मैं कैसे, एक सेकंड मुझे सोचने दो मैं कैसे स्टार्ट करूँ, कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ. मैंने आपको लास्ट अपडेट में बताया था कि बिटकॉइन जो है वो बहुत वीक है. ठीक है, बिटकॉइन काफ़ी ज़्यादा वीक है. ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ कि मूव ऊपर जा रही है, बिटकॉइन ऊपर जा रहा है सिंपल वर्ड में, और वॉल्यूम जो है वो बढ़ ही नहीं रहा, वो नीचे जा रहा है, और ये बहुत वीक मूव का साइन है और वेरी बैड साइन है. ये लास्ट पास में अगर देखा जाए, यहाँ भी ऐसे ही हुआ था. पहले अच्छा वॉल्यूम आया, फिर वॉल्यूम गिर गया और मार्केट बहुत बुरी तरह गई. यहाँ भी ऐसा हुआ, थोड़ा वॉल्यूम आया, मार्केट ऊपर गई और वापस गिर गई. यही होता है, अगर वॉल्यूम अच्छा ना हो तो हाई चांस होते हैं वॉल्यूम गिरने के, खासतौर बेरिश मार्केट में. अगर देखा जाए तो मार्केट जो है बार बार रिजेक्ट कर रही है इस लेवल से. एक यहाँ से, चलो ये 2 पॉइंट हमारे हो गए. 1 रिजेक्शन, 2 3 4 5 काइंड ऑफ 6 रिजेक्शन इस जोन में, और इसमें 6 रिजेक्शन हुए हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी बात है. स्टिल मार्केट होल्ड कर रही है. इस टाइम वॉल्यूम बहुत ज़्यादा लो है और ईजिली मैनिपुलेट हो रहा है. जो वेल्स हैं, जो बड़े लोग हैं, इनके पास बहुत पैसा है, वो ईजिली इसे मूव कर रहे हैं ताकि वो लेवरेज जो है, वो जो बिटमैक्स में 100x लगा के वो ट्रेडिंग करते हैं, और वो पैसे वहाँ से भी बनाते हैं, यहाँ से भी बनाते हैं. फोमो क्रिएट करते हैं, पहले नीचे से लेते हैं, फोमो क्रिएट करके ऊपर आप लोगों को, लोग जो न्यूज़ हैं उन्हें सेल कर देते हैं. ऐसा ही होता है मार्केट में. वो बड़े लोग हैं, वो लॉस नहीं करते, वो हमेशा प्रॉफिट करते हैं, क्योंकि उन्हें पता है वो क्या कर रहे हैं और कैसे कर रहे हैं. उनके पास मनी पावर है. अगर आप जाएं 4 आवर टाइम फ्रेम पे, 1 आवर, आपको पता चलेगा कि मार्केट, एक टाइम है मार्केट में जिसमें वो काफ़ी मूव कर रही है. ये नहीं कि 100% करेगी. 9 बजे, ये 1 बजे हुआ है, ये 9 बजे हुई है मूव, ये भी 9 बजे हुई थी, जिसने मार्केट को काफ़ी चेंज किया. यहाँ से जब ब्रेकआउट आया पहला, मार्केट को काफ़ी चेंज किया गया और जानबूझ के किया गया ताकि इस सब मूव आए, और आस्ता आस्ता ये ऊपर सेल करते रहते हैं, तो अपना प्रॉफिट बुक करते रहते हैं. ये हमेशा हाई सेल करते हैं, बाय लो करते हैं, ये वेल्स जो हैं. यही मार्केट के ब्रेकआउट कराती हैं और मार्केट को यही लोग मूव करते हैं। और कुछ बताना नहीं था मैंने, सिंपल ये बताया कि क्या हो रहा है अभी। खास कुछ नहीं है जो मुझे नहीं लगता, अभी कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा कि मार्केट ने कुछ करना है अभी। बस स्पाइक्स ही आ रही हैं, एक स्पाइक आती है, एकुमुलेशन भी हो सकती है, ठीक है, कि वो बाइंग कर रहे हैं, जो बड़ी फिशेस हैं वो बाइंग कर रही हैं। बस सो फार मार्केट वीक ही लग रही है। और वीकली टाइम फ्रेम पे अगर देखा जाए तो वीकली टाइम फ्रेम पे हमें 7800 क्रॉस करना है अगर हम बुलिश होना चाहते हैं। और अगर शॉर्ट टर्म प्ले करना चाहते हैं तो हमें 7100 क्रॉस के बाद अगर एंट्री ली जाए तो थोड़ा सा प्रॉफिट हो सकता है 5-10%। लेकिन उसके अलावा अगर मेजर आपने ट्रेड नहीं करनी, आपने बाय होल्ड करना है, उसके लिए आप 8000 के ब्रेक का वेट करें, आप सेफ एंट्री ले सकेंगे उसके बाद। तो यही बात है कि वेट, पेशेंस बाई के लिए भी पेशेंस चाहिए और होल्ड के लिए भी पेशेंस चाहिए। दोनों चीज़ों में पेशेंस ज़रूरी नहीं होता कि आप लेके आप पेशेंस करें कि प्रॉफिट दे, नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता। आप वेट करें 8000 के बाद, है कोई बात नहीं, आप मिस कर देंगे 2000 की मूव, फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। आप लॉन्ग टर्म सोचें, शॉर्ट टर्म ना सोचें, छोटी सोच ना रखें कि ऊपर जा रहा है। अब बड़ी सोच रखें कि एक दफ़ा बुलिश हो गया तो कितना प्रॉफिट देगा, ये सोच रखें आप। एनीवेज गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग, और मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलता हूँ। डू शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड yeah, I'll see you in next video. Bye.